Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out Viber on Android. If you want to sign out or log out of your Viber application for your Android device but you don't know how, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. Your Viber chat screen will look like this. In order to log out of Viber, if you are done using the application in this particular device, tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. This will open up your profile. Now, from your profile page, tap the Settings button. Select General from the list of the Settings menu. Scroll all the way down and at the bottom of this page, you'll be able to see a button that says Exit. Give it a tap and tap on OK in the pop-up. Wait for a few seconds and you have been logged out of Viber on your Android device. After you follow these steps, you are done. But remember that the process will end all of the Viber processes for a temporary period. If you tap on the Viber application one more time, you'll be logged in right away. That is how you can easily log out of Viber using your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.